Okay, so get the truck up here. I'm gonna take the wiring harnesses off it. I gotta take the 2 bolts out of the radiator support, what's left of the radiator support, and the 4 on the cab. And then we can pick it off. But I think what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to clean out the box, and I'm going to pull the box off, and I'm going to sell the old box. Got a good tailgate. The back bumper got whammied at some point, but somebody needs a box on their pickup. This is a lot better than a lot of boxes that are up here in the Rust Belt. If that, there, I mean, it's got road rash, but it's all right. This got a little dent in it. This was a truck that was bought for the engine, and it is a power steering truck, no heater. I believe it's been registered in New York, but there was also an insurance card and registration from Georgia about 6-7 years ago. So made its way up here. So yeah, I'm gonna take this apart and get back at it. And as I do some of it or I find any treasures, I am saving the wiring harness and the computer. I got plans for the wiring harness and the computer. So yeah, I'll be in touch. I'll see you soon. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the comments. I'm going to try to post quite a bit, little bits of stuff I'm doing. Stuff, I almost said that bad word. But there'll be some sketchy stuff for sure. I'll catch you soon.